if you and your friend are acting in a play and both of you are given dialogues in your first scene and you are told to start speaking, saying your dialogues as soon as the curtain raises. What will happen? You and your friend, both of you will speak together, and audience will not be able to make out anything. So the dialogues need to be spoken in a certain sequence. So the way it would work is that between you and your friend, one of you will be told to go with your dialogue first, and only after you have finished, your friend can say her or his dialogue. Now, this sequencing, you need to do this on your software as you code your story. This is very important. So if you look right now, and if you play this code, you can see what will happen because both these have been written when green flag clicked. When green flag clicked, both of them will say their dialogues together. We want that first baby elephant says the dialogue, and after it's finished with it, mama elephant responds to it. There are multiple ways to do this, and let's start by looking at the easiest method. So let us look at how to synchronize the conversation. So once the baby Ellie, Nandi, has said its dialogue, we want the mama elephant to go afterwards. So if we were to play this and do a simple count. So just note one of the other ways to play the code is by just clicking on that code block. It will play that much piece. So let's do that.
Mama,
One,
can you tell me the story again?
5,
Why did you name me Nandi?
9. So I counted to up to about 9. So that's approximately just about 9 to 10 seconds. So what we're going to do it for mama elephant, we're going to wait for 10 seconds and then play the dialogue. So now if we play on the green button, it will play all of the code.
Mama, can you tell me the story again? Why did you name me Nandi? Oh dear Nandi, don't you love the story?